Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer tone from one Tonkeeper account to another Tonkeeper account. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Tonkeeper application. Once you have logged into your Tonkeeper account, after that first of all simply tap on this wallets at the top and you will see I have two wallets. Now click on this and after that I'm going to send. Simply tap on the send button and once you have successfully landed on this page, here you can see this address book icon at the right corner. So simply tap on this and you will see in the address book my second Tonkeeper account. So I'm going to transfer from this account to this account. So simply select this and it will automatically paste the address of that particular account. Now enter the amount of tone you are transferring from your this account to another Tonkeeper account, for example 20 Toncoin, and after that simply click on this continue button at the bottom. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes to transfer your Toncoin from your one Tonkeeper account to another Tonkeeper account, and that's how you can transfer your Toncoin or your assets from one Tonkeeper account to another Tonkeeper account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.